What'd you find? You found the little wood chip I left for you, huh? Yes. Mommy's here. Hi. Yes, Mommy left that for you. You found it. You like it, huh? Did you give a kissy? What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? He likes it. He likes the toy. Pretty boy. What you doing, Mr. Yellow? What you doing, Mr. Yellow? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you dropped it. Why didn't you come get the peanuts I left you? Look at the peanuts. Yes, get you out of your cage for a little while, huh? Come on, you can do it. You can do it. It's safe. Come on, Mr. Yellow. Come on. Oh, it's so funny. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Good boy. Good boy, you can do it, Mr. Yellow. You can do it. Yes. You can, you can reach for it and bring it with you. Come on, you could, oh honey, you can stand on that. Come on, you can stand on it. Uh-oh, uh-oh, oh, you got it, you got it. He likes that. It matches you. You like that toy. That's a good boy, Mr. Yellow. That's a good boy. I know you're eventually going to come walk on this thing. You can do it. You can do it. It's okay. It's safe. It's safe. You can do it. Good boy. Yay. There's peanuts there. Good reward. Awesome. Good boy. He's going to take it back to his cage. Oh my goodness. He loves this cage so much, it's not even funny.